All right, it's Friday night. At 11:15, and not too much longer from now, I reckon we're gonna be back on the road, heading back to Tennessee to get the silver Mazda. A few things that I should have done on it that I didn't do. I was trying to save a little money, save some time for the customer. I should have done it. I know I should have done it, but I didn't. Should have changed the bushings from the previous person. But anywho, we got trailer hooked up to the truck, and we got that guy is coming with me, and yeah, we're getting ready to head to Kingsport, Tennessee. 6-hour one way, so 12 hours round trip, and however long it takes to get truck loaded up. All right, we'll get the camera set up and everything when we get there, and see we got getting a video of it getting loaded up and bringing it back.
Alright, so we made it to Tennessee. We're here picking up Brandon's Mazda. Trailer set up, waiting for him to pull up. We're gonna get this truck back to the shop, tour apart, find out why the rear control arms are not sitting like they're supposed to, and get it back to him. Stay tuned.
Alright, it's
5:55.
Friday at 6 a.m. We've got the truck loaded. It is strapped, and we're going to head back east toward North Carolina. And yeah, sun still hasn't come up yet. Looks like it's about to, but it ain't come up yet. So, something that we didn't foresee. Let me turn this way so you can see. Something that we didn't foresee, and I talked to a bunch of other builders, and they never had this issue either, is the way this setup is for the lower bars. As the bars are moving, the jam nut is actually coming loose on the adjustable end on the axle side. And as that jam nut's coming loose, it's causing the bars to lean over. Never would have thought that, never would have guessed that. We put a freaking 2-foot long adjustable wrench on it, cranked down on the jam nuts, took it for a ride, come back. They were loose. So, we are now fixing that. And If you hadn't seen, or if I didn't post it, I may have or may not put it in here. We went to Tennessee Saturday to get the truck back, to come back and work on it. It's currently Monday, and yeah. We got this going on, and then Thursday we got a podcast we're going to be on. So that's going to be interesting to see. So stay tuned. We'll give you guys the information for that when it's ready. And yeah. So, as you saw, we cut off the old bag brackets. We cleaned up the new ones so that way the bushings will fit, sit flush. We are going to convert this to a solid lower bar, and Jensen's over there working on getting those cleaned up. Then we're going to cut out both of those sections there. We're going to put in a new plate. That way we know everything is lined up properly. When I say that, with the mock-up bag laid out, your upper bar or your upper bag bracket, your lower bag bracket are parallel, which is what you want. So, yeah, that's where we're at with that. Also, don't forget, we have the t-shirt pre-order. It's happening now, currently. So make sure you jump on that. Get your t-shirt. We're doing a Toyota. Couldn't think there for a second. So make sure you jump on that. I'll post it up over here somewhere. And jump on that. Also, we need to go back and we need to redo the 1,000 subscriber giveaway for first place. First place person never contacted us, so we're going to redo that. What I want you guys to do down in the comments on this video, not the next one, not the one before, this one. And let's put in hashtag 1,000 second chance 2ND chance. So that's hashtag 1000 2ND chance. CHANCE. And yeah, we're gonna give away. It was a set of compressor brackets, a air tank, and a t-shirt. So, and with the way we're opening this back up, whether those guys at 1 second place and 3rd place, they are allowed to re-enter this as well. So make sure you jump in on that giveaway as well. Let's enough talking. Let's kick it back to the video, and I apologize on not getting videos out. We are in a weird spot at the moment where we're jumping around from one project to the other. Been some vacations, daughters, school graduation. I got my oldest daughters moving up ceremony to middle school coming up. It's just been a hectic time. It's at the end of May or right there at it. So I got to get that Mazda back to him. Hopefully this weekend coming up. That's the plan. We'll see if we can make that deadline or not. And in the middle of all that too, I got to replace all the boards on my trailer. They've completely dry rotted. Not dry rotted. They completely rotted out. And of course, all the bolts that hold it in, they're all stuck and rusted. So we'll have to go cut all of that off at some point. So that's another thing I got to add to my list of projects here. As you guys can see, there is a lifted F250 over there. It's on bags. We got to get that figured out. And then of course we've got Scott Weeks Silverado right there. I got another Silverado coming right behind it. Then I've got a pretty cool build coming behind that. It's gonna be a Grumman panel van, work van, and we're going to bag that as well. So stay tuned for that build, because that one's going to be awesome. Yeah, on that note, I'm gonna quit rambling and let's get back into the video. are in the Mazda. Go get some fuel, put a little bit in here, and then time to go to lunch and work for the day. This morning I had my oldest daughter's moving up ceremony. She's going to middle school, so that's the reason why it's nice and bright outside. So let's take this thing for a test drive.